Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Trisheenarichards. If you're new here, welcome. On this channel, I share all things home decor and lifestyle to help you create a beautiful home and also a cozy space on a budget. So if that's your vibe, please feel free to subscribe and join the TR Elegance family. In today's video, I'm doing something a little different. I'm taking you guys along with me for my weekly bathroom refresh. This is just part of my regular routine to keep things clean, fresh, and feeling good for the week ahead. Okay, so right here, as you can see, I'm just removing all of the products that I use on a daily basis. Honestly, I do have a linen closet where I put all of my products and everything, but for some reason each week I tend to have my products here on this shelf, so eventually I might get a different shelf to put those things on. So right here I'm just using the Lysol spray. It smells really good, you guys, so I just like to use that spray to refresh a little bit, let the environment smell clean. So I'm just dusting off this plant right here, and I'm just wiping down because even though it's like on a weekly basis I do clean, it can get pretty dusty within the week, which I'm not sure the reason why, because you know the home, it's normally closed, so I'm not sure why it gets so dusty each week. But yeah, I'm just wiping down, and here I'm just spraying down the things. Honestly, I didn't realize that I was at first I didn't realize I was spraying on my toothbrush, so I eventually changed them out at the end of the video. So here I'm just washing the sink. I normally use Scotch-Brite because I feel like it removes the dirt way faster to me, and this is what I used to use growing up, so I don't know, it's just, you know, easier for me to use this Scotch-Brite instead of like a rag and stuff like that. So I'll just use the Scotch-Brite first and then I use the rag. So here I'm just cleaning the inside of this toothbrush holder because it can get very messy, you know, by you just putting in the toothbrush in and out. So I'm just removing any dirt from there. Honestly, I love doing these resets. There's just something so calming about a clean and organized space for me. It really helps me clear my mind and feel more productive. These products that I'll be using it's so simple, you guys. I don't really use much product cleaning. I use the Lysol spray, I use the Clorox powder for the toilet, and I use Dawn soap. For me personally, I love to use Dawn dish soap because it tends to clean the bathroom very well. So that's just it. About 3 or 4 items I'll use. Sometimes I use the glass cleaner, sometimes I use just the regular all-purpose cleaner, which I'll definitely leave the links of the item in the description box, so you can also find them on Amazon, or if you do want to go to any store you can get them as well. So let me know in the comments if you guys enjoy videos like this, or if you want to see more of my weekly reset routines. I'd love to hear your thoughts on that. Okay, so right here I'm just adding this beautiful shower curtain. Actually I have two of this shower curtain because initially when I got them I wanted to put one on each side, but that didn't work out, so I eventually end up having two. So I just switch them out weekly, because one thing about me, I hate to see a dirty shower curtain. So I normally just switch out my shower curtain as often as possible, which I think weekly is fair enough. So here I'm just adding on the hooks to each of the holes on the shower curtain. And as you can see, I just love white shower curtain because it just gives the bathroom like a extra clean look or a clean vibe to it. Here I'm just adding this basket on the toilet. For some reason I just love to see like a tray on the toilet. Normally you guys say, oh, do not put tissue there, but for some reason I put it there. I just feel like it just give it like a cozy look, and sometimes I don't even use this tissue. I keep on reloading it on the tissue holder instead of using these ones, and then I just add a candle right there just to give it like a cozy vibe. Here I'm just adding these mats that I got from the store. I don't remember which store I got it from, but I just feel like it ties in pretty well, the black and white with the white shower curtain. So I'm just putting them down, and this is how it's currently looking, which it's just giving like so clean and cozy. So here I'm just adding these candles. I'm a candle girl, like I just love candle, and I know some of you might say, oh, it's not safe to put it by the tissue, but the candle in it is very low, so it's not going to catch a fire. So I just put it right there. And normally whenever I use it, I'm actually in the present. Like if I'm using the bathroom in the evening or whenever I'm getting a shower, I'll just light the candle. So I normally have it there in my present. So here I'm just using this spray. It smells so similar to Lysol spray. It's a bit cheaper, so I got it. So I normally just use that just to fresh up the space. And this is the final look, you guys. I am so in love with it. Like, I don't know, I'm just always in love with my space, because normally I'll just have a vision and then I execute it, but whenever I clean my bathroom, like I just feel so good. It's so fresh, it smells so good. I wish you guys can smell the bathroom right now. Well, I hope this inspires you to tackle a little refresh in your own space. Thank you guys so much for watching and spending some time with me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and also subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.